Morning everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to Disney World. Yes! Oh god, man, jumped into my... Am I supposed to be talking? Oh, you have a really nice holiday. Are you sad, Mum?
She needs a few cosy shots.
No, I'm okay.
I thought you'd have come in your costume today, Mum. Then you could take a few cosy shots with you.
First time to Florida without Mummy and Daddy. Just us two going in it, Boo. Yeah. Mum, if people want to purchase the Chronicles of Chard tops, how can they get hold of you?
No, they can't. It's exclusive.
Go. What's your email address?
For family. No.
She can do it. I'll leave my mum's email address down in the description below so you can order a t-shirt. We have them in different colours, we have them in white, we have them in black, we have them in dark blue, light blue. You'll see them on the holiday, so stay tuned. We do them in all sorts of sizes too. We do them in small, medium, large, extra large, and then we do women's as well. These t-shirts were a birthday present off Mum and Dad, so yeah, you can't get these. I was only joking. They're exclusive, only to me. Give it a thumbs up if you like them though. Bye. Bye, Dad. Morning everyone. We've made it through to the check-in. What do you call it? I forgot what it's called. That parts is, no, the customs. Went through customs now. We're finally through. Now we're in the shopping bit. So we're going to get a few essentials, and I want to go in the toy store because I want to get a toy. Yeah.
Colourful.
Yeah. Let's do it. Where are we going first, Beth?
Toy shop.
Toy shop? Okay. We failed at the first hurdle already. We've seen the Haribos at W.H. Smith's. Oh! We stopped off Boots on the way, and Beth's got a cheese and onion crisp because we don't have them in America.
I don't think so anyway.
No, you're making sure, aren't you, Beth?
Snacks!
But Zoodle, it's just across the road. Yes! What are you doing? Special, are you? What have you got there, Bethany?
It's a Mulan one.
Oh, Disney, A Twisted Tale Reflection. Which one have you already done?
I've read that one.
Yeah. Is that good?
Yeah, and I'm reading this one at the moment. And then I've got this one to read at home. But ooh.
I bet that Mulan one's well good.
We get it with my birthday.
Where you get it now for the airport?
Because I've got loads of the Aladdin ones to read.
May I have your attention?
Anyway, found a game we're going to play. A more generic card game. Fast thinking and quick reactions make this the picture perfect family card game. I think it gives you a series of emojis and you've got to guess what it's trying to say. So that should be pretty fun to play. You're going to lose either way, aren't you?
And Hong.
Start getting cocky.
To proceed for immediate boarding.
You got him in your hand there, Luke.
We're in the Lego section.
No, the other end.
Treating Beth to some perfume. Some fancy perfume.
Because I deserve it.
Ah.
What's it for? Being good.
Being good.
Oh yeah.
Pretty much, yeah.
What are you doing, Lee?
Watching the clarets. Come on, Burnley. Come on, Burnley. 0-0 so far against Tottenham. Doing alright.
Oh, there they are.
Very little men.
The mighty clarets.
I was just going to go, I just turned it on, I'm like, who's this woman? Who's this woman behind me? We're going on with boarding, yes! Can't wait, come on! Mickey! We're about to fly! Come on! Hey, check this out. Look how quiet this flight is. There's no one on the plane. This is so good. I'm going to spit this out later. years later, which were kind of a bit scary, but we're okay film, not bad. And then we've had some to eat. We had a chicken curry, which was really nice, and one of them goo pots are absolutely lovely. Bethany's here. Anyway, what are you watching?
It's finishing now.
Can you guess what she's watching? I don't know. Just look again, like there's literally nobody on here. Found out that there's only 98 people on this film. It is incredible. Just look how it is. Can't see any yet.
Oh, it's just so good.
Got the whole door to myself. So look outside, shall we? Oh, look at the speed we're going. Water. Now we're gonna watch film number 2. I haven't decided what I watch yet, but there's a small film going on called Dear Chickens. Don't know if you heard about seen that. I'm gonna give that a go. Beth, how you doing? You having a good flight? Yeah, man. A little bit of an update. Just watched another film, Exorcist. So not too bad. Just had a little snap. We've had some scone and a cheese butter. Really good virgin. Best for this flight. Really, really good. We've only got 2 more hours to go now to be touchdown in Orlando. Roll it on. Yeah. Sweetheart. we're on the monorail now. We got through passport control. All smooth. Suitcases came out straight away. We're on the monorail. It's not quite a Disney monorail, but we're on to the Disney bus. Come on. Hold on to the handrails, Beth.
I'm safe.
First ride of the holiday.
You're one of our 72.
Hold on! Oh dear!
Remember,
We're going inside, check it in. Yes. So we've just got to our room. Here it is. 7323. How cool is that? Yes. We've got our magic bands. We've got green. And check this out. You can unlock your door by this. Maybe not. Oh! Hello.
Hello.
Are you tired there? There you go, you can see we've got Eo. Eo's actually from Florida.
Yeah.
Pluto is from Paris. We've got a nice big double bed. And then got a nice little table there for when we have like breakfast or something, when we have our quick self-service. A little mirror and me. Hello. And then nice little telly. Some drawers, put our clothes away. And then as we head down here, got a little coat rack. Which is alright, put your handbags. Best way, you got our suitcases in corner. And then we've got this little wardrobe sort of space going on with rails, ironing board and that. And sink. me again. Hello. And then we've got the bathroom. Very nice. It's not bad, not bad. Check the toilet sound. That right there is a very, very powerful toilet. They give you like a bit of resort activity things going on every day of the week. Is there anything there? Look, sports bingo going on, karaoke.
Oh look, Saturday. It says
trivia.
Sleeping.
Sleeping? Oh yeah. Looks like you're already doing it. So we're going to have a bit of a wander around the resort area. I think we're going to get something to eat and then we're going to go straight to bed because we're going up super early because it's magic hours for
Toy Story.
Yes, for Hollywood Studios. We also, Beth's done a schedule day by day. So tomorrow we have got Toy Story Mania, Tower of Terror and Rock and Roller Coaster. Woo, pretty good, pretty good. There you go, extra magic hours at 8 AM till 9 AM. And look at the view outside here. You can't see much because it's night, but yeah, when in the morning it'd be really good. And we're at the highest point as well, so it should be a bit quieter at the top, I think. So let's head down to the food court area. So this is where we're stopping. We're in the football section. There's a few kids and dads playing football already. Oh, look at them go on, race! What's up, Mug? Which one's that one? Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Goofy, Donald, all going into Disney World. Offer here, $18.99 for unlimited drinks.
Straight in my basket.
Which one are you going for? Is that a different one? Purple one?
Yeah, the pink's a bit too pink.
Blue's,
I like the red.
Blue's the most popular one.
Disney pizza. Oh, boy, pizza's here. Oh,
Look at that face. That's it. I don't know, I'm gonna like that. Looks good though. You want some?
I'll have a fly.
Well, that's going to be it for today. It's been a good one, but a long one. We haven't really done that much, to be honest with you, but we checked in, we're all ready to go. We've had something to eat. That pizza, I only managed to have half of it, but it's just, what? Beth's already down there already? Oh, I'm gonna have to join her. Till then, we get up and we go again. Bye!